Check this out! Thuka is hilarious. Sensei hasn't thrown me yet. I'm already rolling. Kanameda Sensei is very patient with me. Kaiten Nage. What does Kaiten Nage means? Wheel throws. The uke is projected in a wheel-like shape. When you are entering your opponent, attack your opponent in the face first to protect yourself before you do a technique. Attempt Kaiten, turn your body, change your leg, and lead the direction that you want to throw. Just walk. Small waist? Is that what you want? Do Kaiten Nage. We don't need waist trainer or any devices to train our waist. We throw. Okay, let's do this. It's my turn. I'm frozen already.